Yeah. All these fucking scars. My heart's full of fucking scars. Till I fucking dearly depart, all I'm gonna see is these fucking scars. Yeah, I got all these bars. I spit them, I flow them, I kick them hot. Yeah, I got all these bars. Yeah, they're full of scars. All these scars from everybody else. Everywhere that I went, bro. Everybody fucking cutting me up, riding it up, sizing me up, gliding along, right strong. Yeah, I'm standing with them, man, word is born. They're all what? Yeah, they're solid, bro, they're top left. They say that they're top left, my word and all that shit. Yeah, then you bring them to the crib. Yeah, you show them where you fucking live. Show them how you make your paper chase and how you get high up on the fucking shit. Yeah, you just live. Yeah, you're getting on the ride. You're coming in the ride. Yeah, you're up in their ride. Yeah, and every day and every fucking night. You don't realize they're plotting against you. They're the enemy. Yeah, they're coming back. They're frenemies, yo. Think that they're fucking on your team, yeah, but you don't even know, dog. They got the fucking beam pointed at your fucking dome right there in your own fucking spot. They're fucking stabbing you in the back, man. That's how they roll. All these fucking scars tell the story that I'm being told. Yeah, I'm just living it, I'm growing old. And everybody else around me, yeah, over time, they start to fold. Yeah, ain't nobody riding with me. It's just me on the fucking team, man. I thought I had a whole fucking fleet. Yeah, I don't fucking know about you. I know about me. I know a whole bunch of fucking people out in the fucking streets. Acquaintances, at best, man. They ain't fucking friends. Friends are fucking dangerous. Trust me, man, I got stabbed in the fucking neck by one. Yeah, 3 times I got stabbed up, man. Trust me, and that was a best friend. Cause you know what happens, man? Yo, when you ain't fucking seeing eye to eye with a motherfucker, yeah, they come at you on the ride. Yeah, they don't give a fuck about you, man. It's a fucking homicide. That's all that they're seeing, man. That's what's in their eyes. Yeah, you know what, man? Y'all talk about all this fucking shit out here in the streets, man. Y'all think that you know what's up, man. You don't know what the fuck is up. Those are your boys, dog? Nah, trust me, man. Wait. Yo, pussy and money, the 2 things that'll kill you quicker than anything else in this fucking world, other than the words I love you. Yeah, you say I love you to someone and watch how fast your fucking whole world starts to get fucked up, kid. Yeah, they ain't fucking all on your side, man. They don't give a fuck, man. Unless they got something fucking free out of your ass, you ain't fucking really gonna be worth much to them, man. Trust me, dog. And when I tell you this is the truth, being told. Yeah, they all take what they want, take to take. They rob Peter to pay fucking Paul, and they rob Paul to pay Peter back. Yeah, and then they look for fucking Paulette, man, see if she's around, just to check Yeah, they're gonna G-check you, kid. They're gonna take everything you want. The watch, the bling, the necklace, yeah, the bitch, the house, everything, man. You get in the overdraft in your bank account when you're done, man, and you still don't give a fuck, man. You be laying there dead, half on the fucking pavement. Yeah, trying to get a hand to fucking raise you up. Yeah, they ain't gonna fucking do nothing, man. They walk on by. They don't give a fuck if those are real fucking tears in your eyes. They don't give a shit about your demise. They don't give a shit, man. They all hide behind these lies and this mask that wears a fucking disguise. Yeah, they're fake, man. On the rise? I don't think so, man. They're nothing but fucking small fries. Yeah, you the big deal. You the McDeal. You the fucking quarter pounder. Nah, you the Big Mac, my man. Yo, stand up. Get up. Rise up, man. Be the fucking top shot, though. You gotta be the big one. The fucking baller. The one that stands out, man. Don't be afraid to get redded up like a lobster. Speak your fucking mind. The truth, man. The rest of them are imposters. They can't handle your fucking shine. They look at you, man, and they're still stuck in fucking 99. Yeah, it's 2021. Yeah, you know what, man? The fucking world's evolving around us, kid. You gotta fucking man up, handle your fucking biz, or just walk away and cut the fucking loss. You understand, kid? You can't fucking win them all. You gotta pick your fights. You gotta know when to fucking go all in and when to fold them, alright? If you don't fold on the right fucking time, trust me, man, your soul, your sunshine, everything will be fucking gone, man, in the nick of an eye. They commit these crimes. They roll up on you one time. They don't give a shit about your demise. They don't give a shit if you live or you die. All you are is money to them, man. That's it, man. You're a number. You're a number in a fucking system, kid. That's all that you'll ever fucking be. Just another number in a fucking system. Understand it, kid. That's the pedigree. That's the recipe. That's life. That's the remedy. Trust me, talk is cheap. Peace.